Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple strategy you can use to improve your trading and also grow your small account. So before I go into details on explaining how you can use this strategy, first of all let's stop our chart first. As you can see, I'm on trading view, so let's go to settings. So on settings you come to events, then add your session breaks. So what the session break does is just to demarcate each trading days. As you can see, it has been added to my chart. This is our session breaks. If you're using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, um, this um, session break should already be on your chart. If it's not, you can also go to your settings and add period separators. So how do we go about using this strategy? First of all, we have to determine the direction of our market. We have to understand the trend of the market, which is very important in any strategy you are using. You have to understand the trend of the market. So the time frame I use in determining my trend is the daily time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame and determine our trend. So we are on the daily time frame. As you can see, the market is in a downtrend. As you can see here, the market is making series of lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So now we know that the market is selling, it's in a downtrend. Let's go back to our entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes time frame. So we are going back to the 15 minutes time frame, which is where I take my entries. So I've come down to the 15 minutes time frame. Now there's one indicator we'll be adding to this chart, and it is called FSN indicator. So let's go to our indicator bar and add this indicator to our chart. So guys, what this indicator does is just to market our different trading sections. So come to your search bar and type in FXN. FXN. So this is the indicator here. The one we'll be using on our chart is this first one here, the Asian section range. That's what we'll be adding to our chart. So let's add it to our chart. So I've added this indicator to my chart. So as you can see, the indicator has been added to my chart. So this is it here. This is our Asian range or Asian session. This is our London session, and this is our New York session. So guys, the timing for these different sessions are for our Asian session. The timing is for our Asian session. Our Asian session. Asian session. The timing is from 8 to 11 p.m. New York time. New York time. New York time. And for our London session, the timing is 2 to 5 p.m. Sorry, 5 a.m. New York time. New York time. And for our New York session, New York session, timing is 8 to 11 a.m. New York time. So guys, please convert to your time zone. convert these timings to your time zone. This is New York time. You can convert it to your time zone. If you're in GMT plus one, GMT plus two, please convert to your time zone. And if you're using MetaTrader 4 or 5, please convert to your broker's time so you can get the Asian range properly, because that's the most important. If you get the Asian range wrong or the timings wrong, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. So please take note of these timings and convert your time properly. So after you have set your time, for those of us that are using TradingView, you can just come here. You can just come here to come and set your timings. I already set mine. You can just come to this place, this indicator settings here, to come and set your own timing. So I already set mine, so you can set your own timings. Okay, so now how do we use this strategy? What I do and how do I select eligible pairs for this strategy? What I do is I I wait for Asia session to trade. Once it's London session, or 1 hour before London session, I come to the chart and now look for pairs under my watch list, pairs that have broken out of the Asian range. Yes, look for pairs that have broken out of the Asian range. So these are the pairs that are eligible for trading for that day. Any pairs that have broken out of my Asian range, yeah, I I keep it under the list of pairs I'll be watching for that day. So now, since I have chosen, like after choosing the pairs that are broken out of Asian range, now there are two things that I now look for market to do before I can now say, okay, I will take this trade, I will take this. So the two things I look for is this. I Let me demonstrate first, then I can show you on the chart. So this is the two things that I look for when I have selected my eligible pairs. So this is our Asian session here. So this is our Asian session here. For instance, this is our Asian session here. Okay, this is our Asian session. So there are two things that I look for before I can take a trade. Once market has broken out of Asian session like this, I will wait for market to either pull back and reverse. That's the first one. This is messed. Let me mark this. So this is our Asian session, for instance. This is our Asian session, right? Then I'm looking for market to do two things. First one is market breaks out, pulls back, and reverse. So that's the first thing that I look for. And the second one is this is our Asian session. I'm waiting for market to break out, reverse, and continue to trend down. So guys, this illustration is for a market in a downtrend. As you can see, market pull back, break out of Asian session, pulls back and continue to sell, or it breaks out at the high, reverse it and continue to sell. These are the two things that I look for, and this is for a trending market that is selling. A market that is in a downtrend. Yes, this is for a market that is in a downtrend. For a market that is in an uptrend, this is what I look for. So this is our Asian range. So guys, please be patient with me. I will show you examples on our chart. So I'm just giving you an illustration of the two things that I look for. So I will go to the chart and show you some examples. So please be patient. So for our uptrend, for a market that is buying, this is our Asian range. I'm looking for market to do this, to break out of Asian range, pull back, and continue to buy. That's the first one. The second one is our Asian range again. It's for market to break to the high. Sorry about this. It's for market to break from the high, reverses, then continue to buy. So these are the two things that I look for. So once I come to the chart and I see that market has broken out of, it's in a downtrend, market has broken out of our Asian range, I'll be waiting for a pullback and then trend, or a break out of the high and reverse it and continue to sell. So let's go to our chart so I can show you some examples. So guys, this is our chart here. Let's go to the beginning of the week. Let's go to the beginning of the week. Sorry guys, bear with me, network was a bit slow. So this is the beginning of our week. Let me zoom out first. So this was um Friday. This is NFP. You can see the big candle. So this is our Asian session. And guys, there's something that I forgot to add. So once market breaks out of the Asian session and it pulls back, it's either going to hit the low of Asia session and reverse, or it hits the midpoint range or the high. As you can see, this one hit the high, it broke out, went to the high to hit, and then gave us an entry candle in New York session, and then this is a pin. It was an entry candle, and then it started selling. On Thursday, as you can see, this is our Asian session here. It's not that visible. This is our Asian session. On Thursday, market broke out of Asian session. In London session, it reverses and continue to sell during New York time. Then on Wednesday, we didn't really get a trade. Yes, just that you won't get a setup every day. That's why you have to have different pairs you're watching. Yes, and this pair should be pairs that trade mainly in London and in New York session. Please do not choose pairs that move mostly in Asian session, because they don't range in Asia, they just move, give baby can during Asian session. So make sure you're choosing pairs that are that move in London and New York session. In my next video, I'll be showing you the pairs that I watch, the pairs that are in my watch list, so you can also see if it's something that you can trade. So on Wednesday, we didn't actually get any trade on Wednesday. So, but on Tuesday, we had the second, which is market broke out of the high of Asian session, reverses Asian session, during level session, reverses and continue to sell. As you can see, it broke out, reverses and continue to sell. Then on Monday, guys, on Monday, I usually do not trade on Monday, honestly, because I see um Monday as a stop hunt for the week. I will explain this again in my next video, and how I integrate this into my trading strategy. So please, on Mondays I do not trade. So I start trading from Tuesday. So these are the setup. Like as you can see, this is Euro USD. In a week, we got like three setup that we could have traded. Imagine if you're watching like 5 PS and all that. Imagine how many trades I've gotten in a week. So this strategy is very very simple. You just have to like backtest it and see if it's something that you can use. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be giving you more and more interesting videos, like very helpful videos that can help you in your trading journey. And guys, I have a bonus point for like I have a bonus to give in this strategy for those of us that are new to trading and you're still struggling with direction and all that. Like you don't have to like determine your direction, you're still very new to this. The the I would recommend using another indicator which I'm going to show you right now. You can also go to your indicator bar, also type in FXN. God, network is really slow. So FXN, this is FXN here. So this is the FXN here. The one I'm adding is this buy sell signal. So this, we'll be adding it to the chart. So guys, this is it. This is the chart. This is just an EMA that we'll be using. Let's go to the daily time frame because that's where we'll be using it. So as you can see, these are just three EMAs on the chart. The first one is the 200 EMA, second one is the 50 EMA, and the third one is the 13 EMA. And you have another one which is the 5 EMA, which is not really important, which I do not use and it's not really important. So guys, what this does is just to show you the trend of the market. As if market is below the 13, the 50 and the 200 EMA, you know that we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. If it's above the 13, the 50 and the 200 EMA, you know that we are in an uptrend, like just like here. So these are how you can use these EMAs, these moving averages to determine your trends. So this is it guys. Please subscribe to my channel.